Hi friends, today we're going to talk about how we can find all the PO list that have the GR based flag unchecked. So let me tell you what I'm talking about. So first thing, we go to a PO. So GR based flag is not set, that means it will be a two-way match. Okay. So in this case, what will happen is if I go to this PO, okay, I went to ME23N and suppose I go to the line 330, and if I go to the invoice tab, okay, you see this flag gr based iv is not checked. Okay, so that means it would be more or less a two match. Now in this case, what you can do is, if you have a requirement to get all the list of purchase orders that has this flag unchecked, how we can get that? Of course, you can go to SC16 and go by EKPO, but lots of time you will not have the authorization to get that. So in order to do that, what you can do is there is this transaction called ME2N. Okay, so first thing I will go /n ME2N. Okay, and here you have, but here you see there's no field for the gr based ip. So whenever you have a standard report and you have this particular icon, that means there are lots of fields hiding here. Okay, so what you are going to do is a purchase order item field. Okay, so what I'll go, I'll just scroll down. Okay, the only difficulty I find it is you cannot do a find here. Okay, so that's one thing that probably SAP can improve. Okay, so here I'll just scroll down. There would be the GR based flag item category. Here you see GR non-valuated GR based IV. So the moment I double click on this, this will come here and you will need to double click on it. I want to select only the ones that are blank. Okay, so if I execute now, and it will if you see, it will show line 10, 20, 30. So we can just arbitrary check 450014. Okay, so I'll go here just to find the authenticity of this particular report. So if I go here and if I check line 10, if you see the gr based flag is not checked. So this way you can find where these very important details. Also, if you notice here, you can find lots of other information that may be useful to be invoiced, to be delivered, and all those things. So these are very important stuff. So the easy answer is ME2N.